y'all. You see 2 plates? Come on. Y'all, we got a special guest. She is special. And I should have been done a mukbang with her, so y'all excuse all of this. But she in that thing. This my girl, baby, y'all. I met her when I was 9. So, you know what? You gotta do is this.
You met her when you was 9?
When she was 9.
I was not.
I don't want to know.
Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want to hear more baby sarcastic mouth, make that red rectangle great. Like, comment, you know, and do what you do. But before we get into this thing, excuse me. Exit.
So I was 1?
So,
I don't get it.
like, get out and go eat. Take your cousin with you. Baby T, we gonna do a mukbang tomorrow, okay? He is mad. Mimi ain't never done one. Push it up. So yeah, it was kind of a surprise thing. I had to work this thing in here. But yeah, we just got some simple stuff that she likes. We have air fried wings and baked fries. She has ranch dressing. I don't know if she wanted honey, but I gave it to her. And then even the sesame and soy sauce and honey I used to make, but it ain't got the sriracha in it. So that's that. I got some jalapeno mayo. Some jalapeno mayo. And this will be the star of the show right behind her. I have the people I seen on TV last night.
They look like they're from Mercury. They look like
Churches. It's okay. So yeah. This is Houston, H-Town. It goes down. This is 2 young men that, hey, wanted to make a hot sauce that was hot, not full of sodium and not full of vinegar. So this is a ghost pepper. This is me. That's not her.
I'll try it.
Okay, that's great. So we're going to go ahead and pull this up.
Ooh, it went like...
It in that thing. Y'all see? Oh, that is a sauce for real. I thought it was going to be...
kind of chunk.
Yeah.
I went like...
Okay, anyway, you know what we got to do. First, let's bow our heads. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food. Ask you to bless our bodies with the nourishment that is needed and push out anything that it doesn't. I just come to you asking you to bless a mother with the mind, the mindset, the heart set to go get what she needs for her kids in a positive way, keeping her head up in every aspect, lifting her eyes up to you, and we're about to go in.
Amen.
Amen. Let's get into this first bite, this first dip, and this first we're going to keep going. So, yeah. It's hot.
Ooh. This whole side went like...
It's the truth. It ain't no salt, no vinegar. That's straight flavor. No lie. We gonna drop their name in the box.
It's the aftertaste for me.
Ooh. That's that ghost pepper. That's hotter than habanero. Ooh.
Nah, for real, habanero ain't got nothing on me.
I know y'all ain't seen this in a minute, but she's back. This ginger got a little spice to it. I don't know if no, let's drink some water. Whew. So I hope everybody has had a good day. I have. Even though I felt like I didn't, I still had. But we can talk about something small. So, y'all know how you just drop a flame right there and it just go whoosh. Yeah, it just whoosh. Baby, don't get a lot of that. It's gonna come out fast too. I know you can't. That's why you go put your chicken on a hot dog bun. She be trying to do me.
She do.
Y'all, I ain't got no earrings on, no lashes. It's all right though. She ain't know she was coming in.
Honey.
So you trying?
Soy sauce.
I'm about to go into this. I gotta taste this. Y'all want some? Y'all want some ghost pepper? Tyson, you in here? Can I have some milk?
You want sugar or you just want milk? Or you can't have sugar?
I just want milk.
Oh, it's good.
Okay.
My mom still burning it. He tried it for real.
I can dig this air fryer.
Right? They give you a fried taste, but like no grease.
No grease. How was your day?
That's what we're going for, y'all. It was long. I was running back and forth with my patient. I'm a home health care provider, y'all. For my come
My son need a home health care provider. Okay. That ain't got nothing. I mean, that Scotch Bonnet ain't got nothing on this.
Man, no, for real. That's how it is like.
That lactate from that milk, y'all better get on it.
See, I can't have milk, y'all. My stomach gonna be hurting. You better toast me.
So yeah, I was thinking about, you know how we be like, we gonna kill him with kindness. Oh God, the burnt side of my mouth is burning. Go on top.
The disrespect around here.
Hold on. Y'all know it don't stop. That's why we ain't had videos in a couple of days. I unplugged it for a reason. Now unplug it and just let. Ooh, we got all kinds of. They just hate, man. They just mad because they not in here, baby. That's all.
I'm just gonna clear y'all camera.
It was clear.
Nah, for real. As long as they was able to see us, yeah. It was cool, but
Go eat your food, cousin. Go eat your pizza and get you some chicken.
I want to eat food.
Oh God.
The size of my mouth is burning too.
Like, dang it.
And I didn't even like bite over here.
You can use a little honey and see if it'll work like the sugar.
Okay. What kind of honey is this?
So, killing with kindness. You know, I was thinking the other day, we always talking about killing with kindness. But Satan come to kill, steal, and destroy.
Oh, you put some like that now.
So,
Maybe take some honey up.
maybe you can put some of that in there, because I want that straight. Even though it's hot as all outdoors. Man. Baby talking about missing this in Louisiana hospital.
See, it takes some honey. It like levels it. That was cool. Let's try. It levels it a little bit. It ain't too hot, huh?
Even though I'm complaining, that's kind of what I want. I'm gonna have to go get the other one. They $5.99 a bottle. It's worth it to say that you don't have no salt in here.
That's so good.
It's a healthy heat.
Good job, good boys.
Unless you got heartburn or something, don't eat it. I'm telling you. So you go back to that. So to the people, I feel that instead of killing them with kindness, we should really just be kind and strengthen them. Because if we're trying to kill them with kindness and make them feel some type of way, I think we acting like Satan. Because he come to kill, steal, and destroy. So, which means, you know, me back in the days when I kill you with kindness, I'm trying to destroy you. Who else feel like that? You feel like that? So, you know, God just changed my little mind a couple of days ago. I had understood some stuff.
I was trying to say that it sounds about right. Sounds devilly.
So, that's all I want to say, y'all. Now I got to get into this food.
How your day was?
It was good. It was really good because my legs don't hurt right now.
You ain't pain nowhere?
It feels good.
Yeah, this is my first time hearing her say that. Something I always heard. You don't move too wrong now.
I kind of took it easy today, though.
Good.
I mean, we was moving around, but, you know, I be power walking, like. So I ain't do all that. These wings good to say. It's just,
That fried.
salt, pepper, and garlic.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's good
That's
still.
what I'm doing. But,
My mouth ain't this hot because of the honey.
I was gonna do a dance because the chicken good, but
Your mouth burning.
guys, y'all really did that. Y'all really did this. I'm gonna go taste that. They got a pineapple habanero.
I want to try all the habaneros. I'm scared.
You know what? I think I want. No, I don't want no scotch pudding. I'm lying. Save her for another day. Y'all, what's y'all favorite dip for y'all wings? You can be like me, anything.
Mine is really honey barbecue. Well, barbecue, ranch, or honey mustard, depending on where I'm eating from.
Yeah, that. But if I'm at home, I'm gonna try to fix up something.
Yeah.
I've been to put some butter
She
and
puts it
garlic
out
on
there.
here. No, I'm so glad I found this.
Right? It's good, but I'm going to take a break on it.
So, were you surprised?
About
I'm sorry it took so long.
Yes, I was. I was like, she eating it? I'm like, I am?
I was supposed to be doing mukbang with my baby.
I was
She-
supposed to be first, y'all.
She done been out in the trenches, out the trenches, above the trenches.
Doing
Hold on.
I really been around since I was 9, y'all.
That's my baby.
I'm going to be 21 in November 2nd. We Scorpio. Scorpio great. What you say?
Ooh, that meal had jalapeno meal. It had cooled that my tongue down. They got me up in there just picking up stuff. Ooh, got Tabasco sauce, red and green.
What?
I don't know what I was just spent $60 on.
Y'all, what you went in there for?
That's good meat.
It really is, y'all. Y'all should call, comment, and let her know if y'all want some.
They don't know.
Cause baby, she
You know,
slap
our
them
page
together for real.
need a little attention, so they just don't know.
Right.
Oh, crap.
Oh, when we get there, we need y'all to tap in.
Tap in. Oh, God. Okay, I'm okay. I'm back. Look, as soon as it cool down, I want to go back. That was good, man. Let me show y'all again. Oh, favorite took it.
How about that? It's gone. Mommy, you keep running away.
I'm gonna put the name in. Y'all see my shirt? I like my shirt.
We get it from H-E-B. We got it from H-E-B. Not the shirt. The sauce, y'all.
My hot sauce came from H-E-B. It's by the Louisiana hot sauce. Up here.
I was like, what I do? I don't know. Where you got this shirt from? That is cute.
I don't know, probably Rainbows or Didi's or somebody. Not Didi's, I think Rainbows.
Oh, I was gonna figure it over now.
Baby,
I really like it.
this burning every impurity out of me. So if I thought I had something, my insides is like, ooh.
Nah, for
You
real.
just feel like okay.
Nose running and everything.
I need some good old crawfish.
Yeah, I'm allergic to
She can't do
seafood.
that. So when you see her, you gonna see like burgers or
Yeah.
wings,
Your regular seafood.
potatoes.
That's them. They can't have that. I won't be around because I swear she be trying to kill me. For real. She don't want me in there. She was like, I forgot.
Y'all, she said that because it just happened. And I ain't try to. What had happened was I was rushing. And we was barbecuing. She wanted some boudin. We wanted some boudin. Got her regular boudin. We got seafood boudin.
Still didn't turn out
Put
right.
the chicken on the pit. I should have cooked her food first. But I put it on together. Chicken just smelled like seafood. And I didn't know. That baby went to go eat it.
The sausage. I ate the sausage, y'all.
I'm
And I
glad
was
she
like-
know what her food's supposed to smell like.
I had to be sure and ask our neighbor. I was like, you know what seafood smell like? Oh, yeah. So I let her smell it. She was like, yeah, that smells like some shrimp or something. I'm like, oh. I ran in here and drank the water like that was going to work. I don't even know.
She's still alive. My nerves I got bad real fast. I couldn't
like,
fake it.
I'm going to call your mama first. Mama was like, no, I call her man.
I'm always want to call my baby mama. Just put it up. You got some?
Can I get some more?
Bounce, I had it. Ain't no juice in my room. Yeah, all of the kids say what's up, Zonas. I forgot to tell you.
Yes, they just come in and out.
Hold on. It just make you want to go to sleep.
That good. That cold water is so good. Make sure y'all stay hydrated for the women. This is my favorite season.
Only if I'm suited and booted the right way. Because if not, I'm going to be in somebody's bed all winter. I mean, like not like in somebody's bed, like in my bed, okay?
Oh, yeah. She's speaking that very quick. Oh.
Yeah, but this is the best weather to cuddle.
Okay.
I'm glad we had a little something light because I'm getting full. So if this your first time here, you know what to do. Tell my girl, no, don't come on here with no stuff because I need you to go subscribe to Jesus or you come on here looking for a girlfriend or boyfriend.
Yes. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Thank you. We really appreciate you guys for tuning in with us. And we love y'all so much.
It's hot, but it's just so good.
But y'all might have seen me in a few videos before. Just not alone like this.
Oh, we did that soda taste test. We need to do a candy taste too.
Yeah, I think
Gotta
I
wait.
mixed the candy one.
We did do a candy taste too.
I think it was a white Kit Kat. But I gotta see if you like some of the candy I be eating. Well, we just going to start pick up weird candy that we don't eat, that we haven't tried.
Yeah, I was looking at that stuff on HEB.
I'll get it.
That Japanese candy.
We can try another ethnicity stuff candy.
I'm telling nothing. It's okay, y'all. I ain't talking about y'all.
We talking about the kids. But,
yeah, we gonna try that. I went looking for the Louisiana hot sauce, and the man told me it's on this album and that album. You know, Zeteran got some new hot sauce. I was like, what? Who knew Zeteran had new hot sauce? I mean, he had hot sauce. Period.
I was just gonna say I didn't even know they had hot sauce.
I ain't find it because when I seen their hot sauce, I was
Everything was like
it was
blocked off. Like
I went over there. Favorite had a big old bottle of hot sauce. I was like, no. I don't
they
care
trying
if
to
they
ruin
ain't
everybody
$4.
inside.
That Louisiana hot sauce, it's old school, this the truth, but it got vinegar in it. It's good on your pork. So, you know, vinegar cut whatever causes hot blood
Oh
pressure.
yeah. And trim and fat.
And it don't have a lot of salt in it.
Ooh.
Okay, I can do this, y'all.
Both.
I ain't think I wanted no more. Oh, I touched my lip. I feel the burn coming. It's in my ears.
Yeah. She is running for real. She was tripping.
See what happened was I'm gonna need some probiotic. Yeah, I did this. This hot sauce, everything in the hot sauce is here in Houston, home base.
Yes. Excuse me.
Yeah, I was trying to finish this piece of chicken without no water. That ain't a G. That is not that Scotch bonnet. that ain't even got nothing on that 2 times spicy. Or the one to the black one. And it ain't got nothing on that because that got a lot of salt in it. That's the truth, man. Y'all need to go get it. It ain't nothing but $6.
Nah, for real.
That's how much the 2 times spicy cost, $6.
It'll be worth the $6 for real. It'll be the best $6 you ever spent. Food wise.
Y'all, we about to get out this thing because we was in this thing. Oh, God.
That way.
Thank you, God. Y'all see my nose trying to run that way?
See what I mean? Oh, I can't get my nails out, but this hurt. It's like trying to come up
On the side.
Yeah, trying to come up.
I got some stuff you can put on it. Just don't let me forget when we start recording.
Okay. I believe you can start on pressure that.
I couldn't. I'm gonna do it after our first class in the morning. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have watched to the end,
Thank you so much.
salute.
You're great.
And let me know what you want us to eat. If it ain't too horrendous, we got you. Or drop a challenge. We still need to do this no hand challenge. Probably come up with something tomorrow and do it.
I still do the tiny hand.
Yeah, that was another one. Yo. And then they leaving Saturday, so me, you, and Ty can do a challenge or something.
Oh yeah. We can go to one.
Me and Aunt Shay Sunday. Saturday. We can, she like going places we can go see.
Yeah, I think so.
But we gotta go with some business work.
Oh, Mom said she wanna come to church. She said, but I forget her.
Okay.
She was like, I gotta come find me something to wear. She like, tell her to come back here and get me.
We love y'all and we're out.